Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the D Link DRA-2060 Wi-Fi extender setup in very simple and easy way. The D Link DRA-2060 is a dual-band Wi-Fi range extender that helps boost your existing wireless signal for better coverage at home. It supports high-speed AC 2000 Wi-Fi and plugs directly into a wall socket for easy setup. So let's start the video. So start with the product unboxing. Inside the box of the D Link DRA-2060, you'll find the dual-band AC 2000 mesh range extender unit, a Wi-Fi configuration card, quick start guide, and typically an Ethernet cable to allow a wired connection during setup. Everything you need to get it plugged in and boosting your Wi-Fi in minutes. Now plug the DRA-2060 into a wall socket near your router. Wait for the LED to blink amber, meaning it's ready to be configured. On your laptop or computer, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Look for a Wi-Fi name, SSID, like DRA-2060XXXX. Connect using the default password, usually on a Wi-Fi configuration card included in the box. Open Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. In the address bar, type http://dlinkcap.local or use its IP address if that doesn't work, usually 192.168.0.50. A login screen appears. Enter login details. Username is admin or password is leave it blank. If it's your first time, then click Login. The setup page opens. Click Setup Wizard to begin. It scans and shows a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Choose to extend both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, recommended for best coverage. You can also rename the extender SSID or keep it similar to your main Wi-Fi. Set a new admin password for logging into the extender in the future. Write it down so you don't forget. Click Finish or Save. The extender will reboot, takes a few minutes. LED will turn solid green equals setup successful. You can now unplug the extender and move it to a better location about halfway between your router and a low signal area. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.